Hey guys, welcome back to another super simple guitar tutorial. Today we have a beautiful and super easy song which called What If I Told You That I Love You by Gatie. So for the basics of this song you need your guitar on standard tuning and you will not need a cable. So let's jump to the lesson. Firstly, I will be teaching you how to play fingerpicking riff, and then I will teach you how to play easy strumming chords. So, the easy pick riff is just one line of tab, and it's super simple, and it's great for beginners. So, you are going to have your index finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string, and pinky on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. So, you are going to plug it with your middle finger and plug the bass note with your thumb. We're going to play them in 1 beat. And in the 2 beat, just drop your hand to mute those notes. 1 and 2. And we're going to just slide this down so your index and pinky finger stay in the same strings. They just slide down to 5th and 7th fret, and we're going to hold it up for 2 beats, and 3 and 4 and so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now in the second bar we're going to take this exact same shape on the 10th and 12th fret, and again for 1 beat, and again in the 2 beat just drop your hand to mute the string. So 1 and 2, and we're going to slide down to 3rd and 5th fret. Now in the 4th beat just slide up these 2 more frets to 5th and 7th fret. So the second bar will sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So in total the main riff will sound like this. And literally you can play this main riff for entire song if you wanted to. But now let's jump to the easy strumming pattern. So our main progression is E minor, then D, and G, and then finally a C. Now there are 2 chords within each strumming pattern, and our strumming pattern goes like down, 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 up. Again, down, 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 up. And notice that we're going to change chord in the highlight down strum. So for example, E minor to D, and G to C, so the main progression will sound like this. And you can play this main progression for the entire song too. Also you can play the combination of the main riff and main progression for the song. Thanks for the watching. Please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more super simple guitar tutorials. See you later.